always a rainbow within reach. On Animal Island, on Animal Island, yeah, on Animal Island, on Animal Island, come on.
Hello.
Hello, hello, it's time to say hello. Hello, hello, let's stop to say hello. It's a way to say we're glad you're here. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Hedgehog. Hello, Fox. Hello, Pig.
Hello, Monkey.
When friends are near, we smile and say hello. When friends are far, we wave and say hello. It's a friendly word that shows we care. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Mr. Frog. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Goose.
Hello. Hello, friend.
Hello.
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 Hi, nice to see you. Hello.
This song is about colors. Start with yellow, red, and blue. Yes, we do. Start with yellow, red, and blue. Now take two. Mix two colors and you'll make something new. Start with yellow, red, and blue. Yes, we do. You can also add a little bit of black or white. Yeah!
It's so good to see you again. The rest of the gang is already here. Let's see what Pig is up to.
Hi, Pig. What are you painting?
Can you tell what it is?
It's a red apple.
That's right! Let's see if you can guess what my other paintings are. What's this?
A red car?
Yes! And what's this?
It looks like a red cat?
That's right!
What's this one?
That's a red splotch. Did you notice something about all my paintings? Look again. I painted a red apple, a red car, a red cat, and a red splotch. What do they all have in common?
They're all red.
That's right! Today, I'm only painting red things.
Pig's paintings give me an idea. Let's make red our special color of the day.
Pig, Fox, I'm going to show you a new way of painting.
Ooh!
I don't see any paintbrushes.
That's right, Fox. We're not going to paint with paintbrushes.
Huh?
We're going to paint with sponges. Ready to see what happens?
Okay.
Do you want to start with blue paper or red paper?
Blue, please.
And I'll take red, please.
Great! Now, pick up a sponge. Dip it in the yellow paint. And start painting.
Oh, look! My paper is turning orange. Because red and yellow make orange.
My paper's turning green.
That's right.
Look how smooth it looks.
I'm tapping my sponge. It looks rough, like rocks.
Smooth and rough are textures. Say it after me. Textures.
Textures. I'm done.
Me too.
Let's hang up your paintings and look at them. What's something that's the same about your paintings?
We both painted with sponges.
That's right. What else?
We both painted with yellow.
Yes. And what's something different about your paintings?
Mine came out green, and Pig's is orange.
And my painting is rough, but Fox's is smooth.
That's right. Now, what do we do when we're done painting?
We go play.
Uh-huh.
But first,
We clean up.
Oh, right.
that's right. Let's clean up together.
Okay.
I'm crunching leaves, but only red leaves. I see one. Let's look for more. Let's look for one more. Do you see it? There it is. We did it! Yay! See you!
Colors fill our world like a rainbow that's unfurled, painting earth and sky, the colors of my life.
The world is filled with so many beautiful colors, like the color red.
Red is here and there, I see it everywhere. Red is all around, in the sky and on the ground.
It's story time.
Yay!
Gather round, everyone.
What book are we reading?
We're reading this one. It's called Look Up. On each page of this book, one thing is different. Let's see if we can spot them. Let's begin. Look Up. Written and illustrated by Aditi Dilip. Flying across the morning sky are birds in a hungry mood. Spot the one who has caught a yummy worm for its food. Where's the bird with a worm? Oh, there it is! Butterflies of different colors are flitting flower to flower, but there's one that stands out because it's one color all over. Let's see, where's a butterfly that's all one color? There it is! A cheerful bunch of kites are merrily hopping about, but one's not quite the same. Can you find the odd one out? Oh my goodness, this looks hard. Which kite is different? Oh, look! This one has an extra fancy tail. Big and small squares are shapes you see everywhere. One railing is different. Where is it hidden? Here or there? Aha! Way up on top. One of the railings has two triangles. Look among the green leaves of this big old tree. There's a branch with a speck of color. Wherever can it be? Oh, I see it! There's one orange leaf among all the other leaves. Planes flying across the sky leave behind a straight trail. But one of them is rather odd and instead makes a curvy tail. There it is! A line of chattering birds are sitting above, can you see? But one likes to be quiet. Whichever could it be? Which one looks quiet? Oh, look! This one looks like it's resting. A flock of white clouds gleams on a bright summer day. But one decides to be rainy, doesn't care what the others say. There it is! A long day is done, and the night has just begun. Of all the streetlights, find one that shines like the sun. A streetlight that shines like the sun? Oh, there it is! Bats sleep when the sun is out and wake when it's night. Can you find the odd one who is still sleeping tight? Do you see the sleeping bat? It's right here, sleeping upside down. Outer space has many planets, shiny and brightly lit. Spot one that's unique because it has a ring around it. Oh boy, this looks tough. Where's the planet with a ring around it? I don't see it yet, do you? Oh, there it is! The end.
Thank you, Mr. Goose.
Thank you for reading with me. Kids, it's time for a sing-along with Mr. Frog.
Yay!
Remember to say hello when you see him.
Hello, kids!
Hello, Mr. Frog.
I'm going to teach you a song called 5 Little Monkeys.
Ooh, monkeys, like me.
That's right! Today, we'll all pretend to be monkeys, just like you.
Yay!
I'll sing the first part, and then you sing along with me. How many monkeys did I say there were?
5.
Good listening. Here we go. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped its head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." Now I want you to all sing along with me. I want to hear you sing too. Let's count how many monkeys there are. 1, 2, 3, 4.
4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped its head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed."
Now how many monkeys are there? 1, 2, 3.
3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped its head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed."
Let's count how many are left. 1, 2.
2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped its head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed."
How many are left? 1.
One little monkey jumping on a bed. It fell off and bumped its head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed."
That's the song. Well done.
Yay!
Thank you for singing with me. You too.
Thank you, Mr. Frog.
Goodbye.
Here's something we already did. Let's do it again.
Hi, Ms. Panda. What are you doing?
Hi, Monkey. I cut out all of these colored shapes, and now I'm sorting them.
Can I help?
I would love it if you helped. Thank you, Monkey. First, find all the purple triangles and put them in a box.
Okay. There's one. There's another one. This is purple.
That's a square. We only want purple triangles.
Oh, right. I forgot. There's one.
Thank you, Monkey. Now, let's gather all of the purple stars.
Okay. Here. Here. And here.
Splendid!
Should I look for purple squares now, Ms. Panda?
That's a good idea.
Okay. Here. 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 And here.
Great! And what's left?
2 red shapes.
Okay, let's put both of them in their own box.
Okie dokie. No more shapes.
Thank you so much, Monkey.
What are all of these shapes for?
Whatever we want. We can use them to make art projects.
Ooh, I could use 2 triangles to make a bow tie. Look.
Oh, Monkey, you look very fancy.
Let's have a pattern party. Patterns repeat. Patterns repeat. When I say a pattern, repeat to the beat. Okay, everybody. I'll say a pattern. Then repeat it back with me. Coconut, beach ball, 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 coconut, beach ball. You did it! Come on, Pig. Now it's your turn.
Okay. Patterns repeat. Patterns repeat. When I say a pattern, repeat to the beat. Beach ball, coconut. Beach ball, coconut.
Beach ball, coconut. Beach ball, coconut.
Keep going.
Beach ball, coconut. Beach ball, coconut.
Oh.
Hedgehog and I are doing one together. Patterns repeat. Patterns repeat. When we say a pattern, pattern party.
And now it's time to say goodbye. Let's sing our goodbye song.
Goodbye, goodbye, it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, let's stop to say goodbye before we say hello again. We need to say goodbye.
Goodbye, friend.
Goodbye.
Bye. Goodbye.
Time to rest. Take a deep breath in. Let it out. Good. Listen. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock.